sometimes it so happens that a problem may have multiple solutions, and you are required to take the decision or make the decision that which one would be the best one. Okay. Yes, I'll just give you a small example on this. Okay, what to do if you have multiple solutions. So the story goes like this. Okay, there was an office building. Which had 10 floors. So obviously there was a lift or an elevator. And the thing that was observed was the employees complained that their waiting time was high. Their waiting time was very high. Okay, so they would often get frustrated. Okay, they would press the button of the lift, but the lift would not arrive soon. Okay, it would take a lot of time. So a committee was formed, and the committee included many intelligent people, the managers, the engineers, the people who installed the lift and all other things. Okay, and all of them, they posed various solutions. Okay, like you may install 2 lifts, you may change the programming of the lift. Okay, but there was one person who was a psychologist. And the psychologist said, okay, if the problem is that people are waiting, they feel that their time is being wasted, just install mirrors where they stand in the lobby. Now, see, you realize that you did not even build any mathematical model here, because a psychologist's point of view was different. Okay, he was actually thinking, how can I reduce, or how can I convince people, or how the people will get convinced that their waiting time is not being wasted. Okay, so if you install mirrors, automatically people would look into it, how the makeup is, and all other things. Okay, so the problem was solved. So that is what I mean when I say take decisions and make policies accordingly. Because when you are solving any engineering problem, finances are also involved. Okay, so you may think in that way as well. Okay, optimizing your resources to get the best possible outputs. Okay, fine. So that is the general approach of solving any problem. You translate it into a mathematical model, and that is the most important phase. Now, you being a working professional, you may have some idea about this. Then you solve the mathematical model, and this is what we are going to do. Learn techniques from different disciplines of mathematics to solve the equations, basically. Okay, which represent, or which may represent, physical systems. Then we will interpret the results and take decisions and make policies accordingly. So we will not focus on the first, third, and the fourth points. Rather, we will focus only on the second one. Okay. Okay, now what are different mathematical models that we are going to study?